In this video, I will show you how to create menu in Elementor. So the first step is to simply go to your WordPress dashboard, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply select appearance and then simply click on menus. You're gonna find this tab on the left side of your WordPress dashboard. Now, the second step is to simply give your menu a name and then simply click on create menu at the bottom. Now, as you can see, at this point, you can choose to have the menu automatically appear in the header or footer. You can also set up the menu to automatically include newly created top level pages in the menu. Top level pages are the main page of a section and often have a sub pages under them. Once you create the menu, you'll be able to add pages to it. Now the third step is to simply use the check marks to select which pages will be included in the menu. So you can simply go back to your WordPress dashboard and then again go to menus, and then here you're gonna be able to add menu items. So you can add pages. As you can see here, it's gonna look something similar to this. So if you select pages, you're gonna be able to select all your website pages. Of course, you're gonna have to choose the one that you want to add to your menu. Now, if you want to add them, simply select them and then simply click on add to menu. Now, if you want to create sub pages, what you're gonna have to do is simply select appearance again and then go to menus from your dashboard, and then you're gonna have to use the check marks to select the sub pages and then click add to menu. And basically, once these sub pages become part of the menu, drag them under and slightly to the right of the top level page. So as you can see in this example, you're gonna have the main menu page, and then you're gonna have these sub pages that your visitor can access. So basically that's all for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.